Welcome to the future of home and office cleaning, where technology meets tidiness. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-assisted cleaning robots, a marvel of modern engineering designed to make our lives easier, cleaner, and more efficient. Let's explore how these smart robots are revolutionizing the way we think about cleanliness. AI-assisted cleaning robots are not just a step into the future, they are the future. Equipped with advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, and machine learning capabilities, these robots can navigate complex environments, adapt to different cleaning tasks, and operate with minimal human intervention. But how exactly do these robots work? At the heart of each robot is a sophisticated AI system that processes data from its sensors to map out its surroundings, identify obstacles, and plan the most efficient cleaning routes. Whether it's avoiding a pile of clothes on the floor or ensuring every corner of the room is spotless, these robots are up to the task. The benefits are clear. For starters, they save time and effort, allowing us to focus on other important tasks. They're also incredibly efficient, reducing waste and using less energy than traditional cleaning methods. Plus, their precision and consistency ensure a level of cleanliness that's hard to achieve manually. From homes to offices, hospitals to hotels, AI-assisted cleaning robots are making their mark. In homes, they're the perfect solution for busy individuals. In commercial settings, they can work alongside human staff to maintain high standards of hygiene, crucial in today's health-conscious world. What does the future hold for AI-assisted cleaning robots? With advancements in AI and robotics, these robots will become even more intelligent, capable, and versatile. They'll be able to handle a wider range of tasks, operate more autonomously, and even collaborate with other smart devices to create a fully automated cleaning system. The era of AI-assisted cleaning robots is here, and it's transforming our approach to cleanliness. As technology advances, these robots will continue to evolve, making our spaces cleaner and our lives easier. The future of cleaning isn't just about robots. It's about smarter, more efficient ways to care for our environments. Thank you for watching. Embrace the future of cleaning with AI-assisted robots, and stay tuned for more insights into how technology is shaping our world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video.